Hey everyone, AMP here. Just wanted to touch base and give everyone an update on how the ELMS style guide is going and progressing. As you can see, we have a couple media asset components that are being worked on and are getting ready to be implemented into ELMS. One is the image design component. We have a few different options. We have image, which is just the regular full width image. We have an option for image left, image right. We have an image boxed component, and then we also have it integrated with a responsive light box. So if we click on it, opens up this nice responsive light box, which is pretty neat. We also have the media video component, and we have just the regular plain Jane YouTube embed style. We have one that works with a poster, so we have an image poster that you can upload, and what that will do is it'll put it in place of the video with a little play button that whenever you click it, it fades out and plays the video. And we have something sort of similar here with that's called media video thumbnail, and this is meant to keep the flow of the content going with or be able to post videos into content without breaking up the content. So we have this little aside video here that's showing a poster, and if we click on it, it expands full view in the same place of the content and starts playing the video. And we also have one for image right. So those are the two design components that we've been working on getting into the system. And for at the time of this recording, right now we have those design components available for two content types on the media system. One is the image content type, and one is the external video content type. So let's go ahead and look at the video example. So I've created this introduction to chemistry video, which is a YouTube video, and I've added a poster here, which is these little beakers. So typically how we render these videos and media assets on other systems are through these embeddables. Either the iframe or these embeddables. And these embeddables are going to be really powerful. It's what, moving forward with ELMS, is what we're going to utilize throughout the system. We're going to rely on pretty heavily because they're really, really flexible and extendable and very cool. So the scenario would be if you wanted to use this video on your course. Let's say I have a default, or I have just a standard out-of-the-box course here. If I wanted to render this video in that course, I would hit the little share button, and we have a new embeddable shortcode that's for display modes. So what this will do is this will render the video that's on the media system through a specific display mode. In this case, the media video display mode. So let's go ahead and grab that. We'll go over to our course and we will put that shortcode in here. Hit save, and through the magic of APIs and all that good stuff, bam, we get the video right here rendered through our design component, our media video design component. Pretty cool. Another cool thing that you'll be able to do is you'll be able to preview these elements in their respective view modes. So if you click on the little drop down here, and under edit, you'll see view modes. And if you hit that, you'll be able to see what this piece of content looks through looks rendered in all these different view modes. So we can see it rendered through the default media view mode. We can see how it's rendered through the media video poster. Click it, goes away. And we can see how it's rendered through the little thumbnails. So this is pretty cool because you'll be able to sort of browse through this list of design components or view modes in this case, since they are now view modes in the Drupal system. You'll be able to just browse through these and visually pick the ones that you want. And what we can do is, let's say that we want to render this video in this little thumbnail view mode. What we'll do is we'll grab the name of that view mode, and we will go back to our embeddable code, and where it says display mode, instead of media video, we're going to say media video __ thumbnail. Save that, and voila, it starts rendering it through that view mode. So this will really give you some options for whenever your content creators are putting in content, they'll be able to very quickly see a visual list of options that they have available to them. So if we take a look at let's take a look at the image example. So I just have a picture of a desk that I uploaded. And I'll hop over to the View Modes tab, and we'll be able to see all of these different view modes that have been carried over from the style guide. So what we've done is we've taken all these different variants here of this design component, and we've made explicit view modes out of each of those. So if we wanted to see what this image left would look like, bam, that's exactly what it would look like. Image right, okay, the image boxed example. And we even have it where you can see what it looks like rendered through the little lightbox option. So you can browse around and say, oh, I think I like this one. Let me copy the name of that view mode. And let me also grab this render using template. Grab that shortcode, and I'll hop over to my lesson. And I'll replace that shortcode with the new one, and I'm going to specify this display mode as image __ right __ lightboxed. Hit save, and there we go. It's rendering through that view mode. Pretty cool. So that's just the start. We're still working. We're still adding new design components. We're still adding new view modes to new content types, but I think we're heading in the right direction.